hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because I was invited to do a monthly collab with a bunch of talented creators hosted by Shelly Slaczka, and she is a fellow North Carolina content creator. That makes me even more excited. Hopefully when the pandemic is all over and done with, we can do an in-person collab. For the month of October, we are creating pumpkin looks in honor of Pumpkin Day. I will leave my collabs playlist link to watch previous collabs. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. Literally right before I sat down to film this look, I was looking into some body paint and I realized in my Totoro tutorial that's something I should probably invest in and give it a whirl. I kind of wish I had gone on ahead and purchased some prior to this collab because I know orange would have been super helpful since the majority of this look is going to be orange and black, and that just might be a little bit easier on, and orange eyeshadow likes to stain. So I definitely see some staining in my future from this look. No surprise here, I'll be taking my Lunar Beauty Life's a Drag palette and I will be using the shade Shady, and it will be paired with my Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival Stacey Murray palette, and we're going to be using the shade Lit. I don't know if the most exciting part of this video is the completed look or we hit pan on the shade lids. To be expected. I knew that there was a really good dip going on, and oh my gosh, I haven't hit pan on an eyeshadow in so long. It does feel good. It makes me sad that it was in this palette, but I use this so much, so it's really no surprise. And I think Shady in Lunar Beauty is about to hit pan too. Oh my gosh, yes, I definitely need body paint in the future, and I can't tell if I look like a pumpkin or a tiger. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it. I've been really wanting to do a pumpkin look for Halloween. If you were to create a pumpkin look, let me know in the comments below what you would have done. What approach would you have taken? What products and tools would you have used? Don't forget to check out everyone else's look. There will be a playlist linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.